Good morning, everyone. It is day 3 here in Costa Rica, and times are amazing. So exhausted last night. I don't even think I filmed a close, and I went to bed like 3 hours earlier than normal. So plenty of rest, and we are ready for a crazy, big, long day today. We are headed about an hour and a half south, I believe, to Nauyaca, probably mispronouncing that, sorry, Falls. And that's a series of 2 waterfalls. It's going to be awesome. We've been there before. Beautiful. On the second waterfall, we can actually swim, so that should be a lot of fun. Then we're going to head to a nearby, it's a small waterfall that apparently you can slide down. Uvita Falls, I believe. Probably mispronouncing that as well. After that, we are going to stop in this cool little hippie town called...
I don't know, I never looked it up.
Oh, Christine never looked it up. I forget what it's called, but it'll be right here, I'm sure, in the description or on the screen. What you're looking at right now, that's what it is. So, it's gonna be an awesome day. Let's go. Yeah, Mom. What do you think about driving down this in the rain, Christine?
I'm glad I'm not doing it.
This is right where we parked. We just thought these little bananas and corresponding flower were so cute. All right, we're just starting out the Nauyaca Falls hike to the Nauyaca Falls. Again, probably saying this wrong, but it's already pretty cool looking. And we're super stoked. Let's go. If I ever tell you a hike is easy, probably don't believe me, but maybe just ask when the last time I did it was, because I remember this being all flat and it's not. So, sorry, Nick. Maybe just ask Christine instead. She knows better. Hey, found some bamboo. Mushroom.
People needed to see how you put the towel on. Look at that.
Ta-da! We're getting super close now. You can kind of see the waterfall a little bit. Here we go. This is crazy. Almost to the second waterfall right now. This is the really cool one. It's lower. There's an actual pool that we can swim in. I'm imagining it's going to be absolutely freezing, but so much fun. It's super cold.
Really cold. Really cold.
It's really cold, but here we go. Let me out, let me out, let me out. That is refreshing and really cool. Mom and I making our way towards the fall, slowly but surely. We're getting super close now. I haven't found a rock yet. Just getting battered right now. Christine, I don't know if you can hear me. Woo! absolute paradise. What you think? We're all thoroughly tired from swimming, but now we have 2.5 miles back to the car. Fortunately, most of that is downhill. Well, we just finished the Nauyaca Waterfall, and of course, as you saw, it was totally awesome. Mom, do you have any thoughts?
It was wonderful. It's incredible. God made incredible things. It's just seeing His creation anew, it's amazing.
What do you guys think?
Awesome. We got
Pretty
to,
wet.
Oh yeah, super wet.
Quite wet. There's Nick. Nick hates me right now.
Swimming out under the waterfall was cool.
Yeah, that was like the highlight of my
That
trip
was
so far.
definitely cool.
Mom said that was the most adventurous thing she's ever
I
done.
think so.
Woo!
I think so. I'm glad to have been there for
She's
that.
like 50, and this is the most adventurous thing. Any other thoughts that you want to add?
I'm really wet right now.
Yeah, let's go
That's
get in the
really all
car.
I can think about.
Woo! I love this rain. Didn't realize this was here, but it's a butterfly garden. Oh my goodness. This place is ridiculous. That was really unexpected and really cool. Had no idea the butterfly garden was here, but saw some butterflies I've never seen before.
Yeah.
I don't know about you guys, but yeah.
Except for when they flew right out.
Also, we found out that both the women in this party are scared of butterflies.
Brenda started it and then it flew at me and it scared me.
Fortunately, we didn't see that I'm scared of butterflies because none of them flew at me, or you would see that as well, I'm sure. So now we're going to this little waterfall, hopefully before it gets fully dark. Well, made it to another waterfall. Christine thinks we're supposed to go off the top there, but none of us are doing that unless we see somebody do it first. So I'm just going to go for a swim. We'll see how that goes.
You did it!
Yeah, that makes more sense. Hey, Christine got in too. Just as much as I did. Well, we all kind of chickened out this place because we're just not really sure how it's supposed to be done, and nobody wants to get hurt, especially on the third day of the trip. So we're just going to enjoy that waterfall for a little bit, as we did, and be happy we got to see the cool butterflies. And, you know, we're out in the jungle, so how bad could it be? This rain is really cool. So we're going to leave here and go somewhere else for dinner. Ooh, yummy.
Got my 4 carne asadas. You didn't say I had to share. Oh yeah.
Very good.
Nothing like food off the street.
Yeah. This is the beach at Dominical. We're gonna get a smoothie.
Ready for dinner? What you got? Pulled pork.
Pulled beef, asado.
Oh, wonderful. Brenda, what are you? Nice. Yummy. I'm gonna eat now. All right, everybody, it's pouring rain. We can't see anything.
Yep. Hoping no other cars hit us because you can barely see. Oh, we made it back. Basically, it's been like the most epicest day ever, and so we're gonna finish with a swim. Oh, down here, gotta jump in. I'm not gonna lie, we did not swim for very long. It was getting really cold out there. But seriously, that was the perfect end to the absolute best day ever, and the best vlog ever in my opinion. Thank you so much for watching, and I would super appreciate it if you would like this video to help with the YouTube algorithm, and you can also subscribe. Just click right up there, or watch more videos, click right up, whoa, watch out, right up there. So thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.